Hi everyone, I'm Andrius Guzaitis, a Salesforce Business Development Executive at Bluelark. Bluelark is a certified Salesforce partner in the Baltic states. A few videos ago, we created a fictional pay TV and internet service provider to demonstrate how different Salesforce tools simplify complex telco operations. All good things come to an end. So do service contracts. In this tutorial, we will showcase how to send out contract renewal emails to the users whose contract is about to expire. This situation is not unique to telecommunications operators. The same process applies to most B2C or B2B businesses with fixed-term service contracts, including insurance or utilities, to name a few. Lucky for us, Salesforce handles the full contract renewal process from start to finish. Meaning, you may task a particular sales manager with renewing the contracts. The platform allows to select the contracts that are about to expire. These contacts are easily imported to a contract renewal campaign, and you will be able to create an email template for this task in an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. Let's go step by step. In the Sales Manager dashboard, we see that a task to renew ABC Genius Tech Consulting contracts was assigned to us. We start by creating a new campaign. Here we enter the main attributes for the campaign, including campaign name, type, date, and status. Now let's select the user base to whom we are going to send our contract renewal emails. These user segments can be created using Salesforce tools. Users may be grouped by type of service, contract expiry date, and many other segmentation options that are relevant for a particular marketing case. We see that for this group, the contract is about to expire in the next 30 days. We can also see all corresponding previous actions performed with this user group, as well as the contract documents available as files. In the Accounts dashboard, we may see all the users' contracts for the ABC Genius Tech Consulting account. As we need to perform an action with all the contracts in this group, we may select all and then click Add to Campaign. Here we select our contract renewal email campaign. All these contacts have been successfully imported for our contract renewal campaign. Now let's create an email template that we will be using. Let's create a new template from scratch with the Email Builder tool. The builder follows a drag-and-drop content mechanic, enabling users to create email templates without any knowledge of HTML coding or specialist skills. You may select content types, layouts, add buttons, and other components. Email Builder allows you to select files already present in Salesforce. This is great if you want to quickly add customer-specific information such as contract proposals, license agreement documents, and many more. After preparing the template, we assign it to the contract renewal campaign. Now we just have to click Send. Hooray! Our email has arrived in the customer's inbox. Back in the Salesforce, you may see campaign performance analytics, set campaign conversion requirements, forecast revenue, and apply many different tracking scenarios. Creating user segment-specific campaigns in Salesforce is a blast. You may easily identify relevant customers in your user base by specific attributes, such as contract expiry date, contract year, engagement levels, and many more. Then you may easily create a campaign for their particular issue. Contract renewal, contract, upsell, value-added service promotions. Just a few ideas of what is possible. Yet the most important thing is that this process is fully handled by Salesforce. You do not need to use a separate mailing app, import contacts, attach relevant documents. Everything is performed in a single system with user intelligence, contacts, and documents available after a few clicks. Therefore, running user segment-specific campaigns is no longer a hassle. Would you like to learn more about Salesforce sales and marketing features? Email us at hello@bluelark.digital. Thank you for your time. See you in the next Salesforce demo.